Hello everyone, it's Extreme Beauty Factor here, back with another video. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. Hey guys, good morning, or night, wherever you are. I'm coming y'all with another video. Just this a random video. I'm trying to put content out for y'all guys. Basically, I just came up with this look right here because it's matching our church logo here. It's like a green shirt that I have got made. So I decided, I said, oh, I can do a look. You know, that's inspiration, girl. Yeah, you know how we do. You know how we do. We find some inspiration, inspo, to make an eye look. So I came up with this. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys, I'm not going to make this intro long, but y'all know I always give the verse of the day. I'm starting to incorporate this in my channel because guess what? I don't run this channel. God is first, then my channel. God is first, and then my business. And that's it, guys. But yeah, I have a few lip glosses that I'm going to show y'all that I came up with. I thought I have 3. I thought I had one with oh, here it is. I got it. Got it. And I'm gonna incorporate on my. I haven't put a lot of stuff on site yet, but I'm gonna do that today because I got to work. As soon as I get out of church, I got to go to work. I got to get some stuff on the website for y'all guys so y'all can buy. But guys, I'm not gonna talk long. I'm just rambling. I'm rambling. Oh yeah, this right here, y'all. I got this from my friend Beverly. Okay guys, this right here, I want y'all to see how pretty that is. That's some good bling right there, girl. And I got the earrings to go with it too. I just decided to put these in today. But these earrings are very cute too. It came with it. It was only $5, y'all. $5. So my friend is you know, I think a lot of people know about paparazzi. I think that's what the name of it is. And she sells that stuff. And I went on her live and got it from her. So guys, all about support. I'm about support. So I'm gonna put her link in the bio on Facebook. So y'all can go check her out. Go check her out. It's only $5, y'all. It's only $5. Check her out. And also guys, let me do the verse of the day. Put my little specs on, looking like a teacher. Alright, let me get to the verse of the day. The verse of the day that God gave me today, that dropped in my spirit, it's all about us, you know, believing and asking God in order for us to get to our purpose. Ask Him, what is our purpose? You know, what is everything? And it came up with, like it was saying, Matthew 7:7. Ask and it shall be given to you. Wait a minute, let me read that again. Matthew 7:7. Ask and it shall be given you. Seek and ye shall find. Knock and it shall be opened unto you. And that was from the King James Version. Matthew 7:7, y'all. I love that verse. I really love that verse. Only way, just like they said, if you don't ask, you won't know. So just ask God and let Him lead you. And then, guess what? It will be given unto you. It's in the Word. It will be given. You just got to believe. Don't let nobody stop you in anything that you do in life. If you believe it and God put it in your spirit to do, you do it. Because you are well equipped to do it. I always tell myself now, God got me saying, anything that I have to tackle with my business, my videos, anything, my life, I'm well equipped. Because you wouldn't put this before me if I wasn't well equipped. So I just want to leave y'all with that encouragement, okay? And if y'all like this segment, let me know. Put it in the description box below that you like it, and I will keep doing it, okay? Alright, guys. Alright. I got some lip gloss, y'all. Some new lip gloss. And this one right here is called Baby Girl. My godmother calls me Baby Girl. And it has pomegranate flavoring in it. So, anybody like this, it's going to be on my site. It's going to be on my site. And this right here is, this is called Pinky Rose. I had a little bit of more of the baby girl, so I added some flowers with it, the rose petals with it, the dry rose petals. So I called it Pinky Rose, and it has the pomegranate flavor as well. And I did the lavender the same way. If y'all like that, I did the lavender, and I called this one. I ain't named this one yet. It's still, if anybody have a name, just let me know. Put it in this comment section. Help us sister out. But yeah, this is lavender, and it's got the pomegranate flavor as well. Okay, so those are 3 flavors that I have. So which one would I try? Let's try on baby girl. Let's try. Do I have an empty one? I don't want to mess up my labels. Hold on one second, y'all. Try the lavender. Let's try the lavender one. Here we go. That pomegranate, y'all. Oh, that's a nice flavor. See? Girl. EBF Cosmetics. Go check it out. Alright, guys. Alright. On to the video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when there's a what? Event, I got some content. And guys, I'll see you what? In the next video. Love you guys.
Hey, yeah. Hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleaming. Yeah, gleaming. I said, hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleaming. Yeah, gleaming. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleaming. Yeah, gleaming. I said, hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleaming. Yeah, gleaming. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleaming. Yeah, gleaming. I said, hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleaming. Yeah, gleaming. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, extremies, it's time to get those lips glossed and gleaming. Yeah, gleaming. I said, hey, extreme.
Hey guys, I decided not to put the description of the products in the video, but if y'all guys want me to keep doing that, let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys.
Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I said, hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I said, hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I said, hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I said, hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I like shine, I like sparkle, and I like shimmer. Come on over to the extreme team and get this word. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Make sure your gloss is majorly extreme. Show your gloss is majorly extreme. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy. I said, hey, extremies. It's time to get those lips glossed and gleamy. Yeah, gleamy.
I just want to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.